Alright, so my ps3 died on me. Took out the drive, took out the screw, pop it apart, and see what these pieces of shit are made of. Okay. You're gonna have lots of screws in here. I already took them out because they're a fucking pain in the ass. Basically, your back end here is just gonna lift right over. And got some more useless shit. Lots of shit in this stuff. Just start by taking off where your fucking CD goes. There's gonna be a little clip in there you wanna just undo. Now, I didn't know how I was doing half of this stuff. I was just screwing around and doing it. It's already broken, so can't do any more damage. Fucking useless PS3. Can't wait for the PS3 Slim. If you ever see anything with more screws in it, man, message me. Want to take this off now? It'll be really easy once you get a hold of it, taking it apart. It's like my third time doing it, so. Piece of shit still doesn't work. Such a pain in the ass. I'm only doing it because I know there's so many people out there that want to know what the hell their PS3 looks like on the inside. And don't feel like voiding their warranty. Too bad mine's out of it. Alright, so I got my next thing out here. I don't even know if I'm going to put this thing back together.